2, 3, 4. You lie and you cheat and you land on your feet, but I'm not going to take no more, no more. I wish you could see in your heart to tell me how. I wish you could have told me from the start, but let it all out, come on and get it all out, yeah. Tell me what you want from me. Well, if there ain't no love, there ain't no use in loving you. There ain't no love. There's no damn use in love. Now, whenever I try to communicate, I see you looking for the door. Oh, you'll find an excuse to be out with your friends, but I'm not going to stay at home waiting for you. Why can't you be good like a real lover should, and be faithful, never letting me down? So let it all out, come on and get it all off your chest, and tell me what you want from me. Ooh, well, if there ain't no love, there ain't no use in loving you. There ain't no love, no use in loving you, no. No, never, you're not gonna be my backdoor man. Oh no. No love, no use, whoa. Ain't no love, there ain't no use. No love, no use, not gonna, no love, there's no use in loving you. Ooh, no love, no use. Go figure. Now if there ain't no love, then there ain't no use in loving you. No love, no use. Whoa, no love, no. So you see, if there ain't no love.